When should I start planning the sale of my business? And the answer for that one is really easy. Yesterday. Really, when you build your business, when you start your business, you should be starting it with the plan of exiting it. Now, I'm not saying you have to want to sell or you need to sell, but a business built to sell is typically going to be more profitable, better run, less stressful for the owner, and often you don't want to sell it. And if somebody's coming to you wanting to buy it and you don't want to sell, it certainly puts you in the driver's seat when it comes to valuation.